doesn't know what's going on. There we go. Well, magnificent. Ink pasta with the squid and cuttlefish. Windy day. Right, I'm on. One little flick of the jig, hooked him up. Lovely. Yeah. Not a big one by a long shot, but he'll still do. Definitely well hooked. No, mate, how you going? Very calm about things. Doesn't know what's going on. There we go. First one for the day. Now, they can get bigger. It is a prime time for the squid. This one here, I reckon, straight away from his daddy. Awesome. Very shallow waters here. I wouldn't even give it maybe 2 metres. It will eventually get a bit deeper, but that's great. Oh, oh, this is a good sized one. Oh, I think this could be a cuttlefish. There's a cuttlefish. All right. Just hooked again. Love eye specimen, this one. Absolutely beautiful one. Really good size. These are just absolutely superb. And I've got something lined up for this as a meal. I want to respect this guy. Thanks very much. Nice Sepia. Italian for cuttlefish. It's really patchy here, the water now. Hopefully I can get some King George. That's my main intention. But the squid is another intention. Get a lot of bites, but they're blowfish. Yeah. Another butterfish. Come on, get. Had to move in, that wind is just atrocious. Sea anchor out again. Let's do it. Let's get another shot. The wind's changed already. Tough day. I just caught another small one. Didn't catch on this camera. Woo. Awesome. Catch a squid on the anchor. Well, it's just on. I was reeling it up and I saw this brown mass come towards me. Alrighty. That's how we do it. Awesome. Lovely. It looks a lot bigger in the water. This brown thing is like pull like a torpedo. Beautiful. As I said, I am on the anchor, and yeah, just reel it up, bang. Right. I got another one. Again, I'm on the anchor. I just cast it out. I'm just about to reel it up, and it just went sick. Right, very lucky. Stop in the right spot. There he is, right there. Yeah, it's gone. Oh no! Oh, he wasn't really hooked on. Oh. So I cast out, let it sink a bit. and then I'll slowly retrieve it in. So I put the anchor up again, and we're going to go into the calamari grounds, see if I can get a few more, and then I'm going to go for my good old loyal whiting. Camera wasn't working. I just handed over some viewers, a bloke called Aaron and his son Vincent. Thanks for coming. Sorry about the lack of. Anyway, that's how it goes. Want a big one. Right. Give me a hand line. Oh, he's right at the back there. He's a big one, but it's just on the tentacles. No, I don't want to lose this one. And when they're on the tentacles, I got more drag through the water. So loosen up your drag in case they reverse. Well, go with him. Oh, whoa. Lovely. Woo! Oh. Lovely specimen, that one. Lovely. Absolutely beautiful. Redemption. I love it. And I am using my tip run 30-gram jigs because of this wind. And again, I was just yanking, hook up. Okay. So another one coming to the party. Looks pretty well hooked. Here's a small one. Again, fine specimen. Alright. Woo! I just love catching squid. Just love it. And a lot of people do as well. When it's easy to catch, look, depends on conditions, depends on your patience. It's like almost any species. Give it a shot and you'll soon find out if it's easy or not. Today hasn't been that easy. Let's go home. Get a few beers into me. Righto viewers, we made it back safe, as usual, and got the catch. Wasn't a real big catch, but I'm very happy. Very good feed, nice feed, and as I said on the boat, the cuttlefish is going to be the star of the show. I am going to clean it, that's the cuttlefish right here, and cook it. But I'm also going to be using the ink sac. I'm going to be using it to make a black pasta. Stay tuned. Never done it before. I'm excited. Come and join me.
Fish, tucker, the fish, taco man.
Clean all the calamari up to the cuttlefish. So the first thing to do to clean this, there's a bone here, and I've shown you before, but I'll do a bit better job this time. Just slice the membrane off with a knife or even your fingers. Pry it open, you can see the backbone here already. What I'm going to do is just slightly cut where it's attached. Right, so that comes off just like so. Just a small backbone there. Just carefully remove that. I'll wash that later on. So carefully I'm going to cut this around and put it in my bowl. So that's the ink right there. It did spill the pretty tough. The skin, get rid of the skin and the flaps. And these small cuttlefish are really worth having a shot at because they are nice and tender and they're sweet. The bigger ones can get a bit tough and yeah, quite delicious. Cuttlefish fillet, lovely. What we're going to do is make the pasta. I've had to come in the garage because if Mum sees this, I will be, because this stuff here, the ink, it's going to make a mess. I want to try and make it as clean as possible. 2 cups with 4 eggs should be enough. Alrighty, there we go. There we go. Beautiful. Put some salt in it or around it, doesn't matter. And here comes a good bit. Squid ink. Or cuttlefish ink, that is. What I'm going to do is squeeze it. Okay. Wrap it up in Glad wrap. Throw it in the fridge for about half an hour, let it rest. And that's cuttlefish ink dough, ready for some linguine, fettuccine, spaghetti, whatever you want. Let's put it in the fridge. Okay, so it's been half an hour, got the pasta out. Mum's already starting to get into it. I need some professional advice on this one. Did I do a good job of it? Oops, is that the answer you give me? Alright. Cuttlefish, garlic, tomato, parsley. Let's get into it. Nice olive oil. Put in our squid and cuttlefish. Salt. Chili. Splash of white wine or prosecco. Chopped up garlic pieces. Fresh parsley. Turn the head down a bit. Mix that. Oh, it is delicious. one fresh tomato. And about a cup of this stuff. Some more wine. Sorry. Taste test. Well, magnificent. So we've got the hot water in there, a bit of olive oil, because fresh pasta will stick. The sauce is cooking up good. It will turn out pretty good. And always salt and water.
That's enough.
That's enough, okay. Right, time for the pasta. Anthony reckons it's seaweed.
I reckon it is.
Now that should take, I think, about 5 minutes. We'll soon find out. Look at that, pasta's coming up, less than 2 minutes. Quickly do a quick taste test, look at that.
Don't get me open this.
Look at that black seaweed. There you go. So the pasta goes straight into the sauce. Look at that. That should be heaps. Mmm. What do you reckon? Choose a bit more olive oil. Look at this. Okay, now it's time to serve it up. There you go. That's the homemade ink pasta with the squid and the cuttlefish. Whoa. One's getting stolen now. Check that out.
Did you make seaweed?
Cuttlefish pasta. Bon appetit. Let's give it a shot. That's alright. So we'll try this pasta with a bit of cuttlefish. Oh yeah, that's fantastic. That is. Anyway, on that note, if you like this and you want to see more, subscribe, like and share. See you next time, and bon appetit. No more, it's for me now. Look at that. Brilliant.
Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker, the fish, tucker, man.